Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Capital expenditure versus revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure. Benefit period. The benefit of capital expenditure is not exhausted in one accounting period but extends over future accounting periods. Revenue expenditure affects earning of business for one financial year. Accounting treatment. Items of capital expenditure to the extent not written off are shown in balance sheet as assets. All revenue expenses, the benefit of which has exhausted during the year, are transferred to trading profit and loss account and so not carried forward to balance sheet. Purpose. Capital expenditure involves acquisition of fixed assets meant for use and not to resell. Revenue expenses does not involve in acquisition of any fixed asset. Earning capacity. Capital expenditure is incurred for improving the earning capacity of fixed asset. Revenue expenses is incurred for maintenance of the earning capacity of business assets. Time. Capital expenditure may be incurred before or after commencement of business. Revenue expenses are incurred only after commencement of business. Matching. Capital expenditures are not matched with capital receipt. Revenue expenditures are matched with revenue receipts. Nature. Capital expenditure are of non-recurring nature. Revenue expenditures are normally of recurring nature. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.